Hello and welcome to our presentation on vulnerability management in cloud computing within the framework of ISO 27017. In today's digital landscape, vulnerabilities in cloud environments pose significant security risks, making effective vulnerability management essential. ISO 27017 provides guidance on implementing robust vulnerability management practices to mitigate these risks and ensure the security of cloud-based assets and data. ISO 27017 offers specific recommendations for managing vulnerabilities in cloud environments, complementing the broader principles of ISO 27001. It emphasizes the importance of proactive identification, assessment, and mitigation of vulnerabilities to safeguard cloud services and data. Importance of vulnerability management. Vulnerability management is crucial for several reasons. It helps identify weaknesses and security gaps in cloud infrastructure, applications, and configurations. It enables organizations to prioritize and remediate vulnerabilities based on their potential impact on cloud security. It supports compliance with regulatory requirements and industry standards, including ISO 27017. Key components of vulnerability management. Effective vulnerability management in cloud computing involves several key components. Vulnerability scanning tools and technologies for identifying vulnerabilities in cloud assets and configurations. Risk assessment processes to prioritize vulnerabilities based on their severity and potential impact. Patch management procedures to apply security patches and updates to mitigate identified vulnerabilities. Incident response capabilities to address security incidents resulting from exploited vulnerabilities. Vulnerability management practices. Implementing vulnerability management in cloud computing requires adherence to best practices. Establish a vulnerability management program with clear objectives, roles, and responsibilities. Conduct regular vulnerabilities scans of cloud environments to identify and prioritize vulnerabilities. Implement automated tools and processes for tracking, reporting, and remediation of vulnerabilities. Integrate vulnerability management with change management and configuration management processes to ensure timely remediation. Benefits of vulnerability management. Effective vulnerability management offers several benefits for cloud security. Reduced risk exposure. Helps identify and remediate vulnerabilities before they can be exploited by attackers. Enhanced security posture. Improves the overall security posture of cloud environments by addressing known security weaknesses. Compliance assurance. Demonstrates compliance with ISO 27017 requirements and other relevant standards. Proactive risk management. Enables organizations to proactively identify and mitigate security risks in the cloud. Continuous improvement and adaptation. Vulnerability management is an ongoing process that requires continuous improvement and adaptation. Regularly review and update vulnerability management processes based on changes in cloud infrastructure, threats, and business requirements. Conduct post-incident reviews to identify lessons learned and improve vulnerability detection and response capabilities. Stay informed about emerging threats and vulnerabilities to ensure the effectiveness of vulnerability management efforts. In conclusion, vulnerability management is essential for maintaining the security of cloud environments in accordance with ISO 27017 by implementing robust vulnerability management practices and continuously improving them. Organizations can enhance their ability to identify, assess, and mitigate security risks in the cloud. Thank you for your attention. Now let's open the floor for any questions or discussion. And if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.